Get it. Go get it. Get it.
Today, we're going to watch adorable moments of dogs visiting a pet store for the very first time. From getting excited over new toys to curiously messing around with the store's products, all of these funny and heartwarming moments are waiting for you in today's video.
Come on, mister. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here, mister.
He's like, "Mom, I don't want to go. I just want to sleep in this comfortable bed."
You can't have them. Look at they're as big as you. Take it.
She's ready. Come on, Lucy, get your toy. Let's go.
Even though the toy is twice her size, she can still handle it perfectly.
Come on, Lucy.
Hey, doing croissant? Oh, baby. I'm sorry. Mom has one in her pocket. She got this one.
He's messing everything up like he owns the entire store.
Which one? Which one? Oh, you want this one?
Because there's more.
哪一个？两个都要。
Okay, 买哪个？
两个都要。
哦。
Besides taking your dog to the pet store, you also have to become their babysitter whenever it's time to use the escalator.
Air.
No, Roo. No.
Even though it's his first time at the pet store, he's already shopping around like a pro.
Come here, come on. Come here, come here, come here, come
Milky.
Probably, he just needs a new friend, Dad.
Wow!
Have you ever seen a dog driving a mini forklift to shop at PetSmart like this before?
Ready?
Él feliz con su peluche de Minnie.
He's so happy with his new toy that he wants to show it to everyone.
Ya lo llevó a que lo envuelva.
If you catch it, I'll buy it for you. Bless you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Well, ready? If you catch it. Oh, well. Be careful of his back.
Even though he's already grown up, he still can't give up his clingy habits whenever he goes out.
He's spoiled.
You're just gonna stay like that, I guess.
Nala walked right and picked a toy and tried to walk out.
While the other pup looks completely confused, this guy is absolutely enjoying the game.
Hang on a second. Is this what I think it is? Is this a sweet treat?
because it looks like a sweet treat and it smells like a sweet treat. So I'm going to try it and just see.
Some dogs choose toys by their playful shapes, but this puppy chooses them by smell.
It's a sign.
Oh, he doesn't care. Oh, Matthew. Hey, don't do it. Don't do it, Milo.
That's the one you want?
After behaving so well during the checkup, he definitely deserves a new toy.
Is this real life? Those are all toys. That's one real dog. What? Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Which one you want, Mommy? No? Ooh. That's...
You like it? Okay, we're leaving.
He's like, "Bye, Mom. I can stay in my new house forever."
He doesn't care. He's like, okay, like me. He's not gonna care. You ready?
I think he's going to the other home.
Fancy, see what you think. See? I knew it. She knew it. I knew. See what I told you? What is it?
Yes. You're smushing your face up.
What could be better than going shopping with your best friend?
I was trying to shoplift.
Yeah, she's shoplifting. Come on. She's so happy. He's so happy.
What are you doing?
When Mom finally catches you secretly playing with things at the pet store.
Celeste. Oh my goodness.
Huh?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Do you want to go in the pet store? Oh, it's over here. It's over here. Gonna go there.
This dog is extremely picky when making decisions, especially when it comes to choosing toys.
Be quiet, man. Stop barking, bro. Liz in Walmart.
His baby.
We are not getting you that massive snake. Look at him. Finnick. That is way too big. What are you doing?
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go.
Who needs an Uber driver when you already have a free taxi like this?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Think we're ready?
Even though he bought a whole bunch of new toys yesterday, it still seems like it's never enough for this pup.
Alright, Mom said I could pick out a toy for all my friends. This one here, that one's for me. And then, let's see. We got the pink flamingo. This one's for Tinkerbell. Alright, Mom, that's all my friends. Thank you for taking me shopping.
Okay, which one do you want? You get one. You get one right now. One at a time. Which one do you want?
She's a professional bone consultant, and she takes her job very seriously.
That one? Okay.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny?
For a puppy, Pet Store isn't just a place, it's basically a trip to Disneyland.
Yes.
You like your new toy? Is it stuck?
After spending hours choosing at the store, this is what he finally picked.
Look at his big ears.
Okay, which clothes do you like? Look, we have this one.
Nope.
What are you distracted at?
Nope.
Look, do you like this one?
Nope.
So all we gonna do, take it easy, make this money. You gonna watch your temper. I ain't gotta watch shit. You gonna treat people right, talk to people right. You can get your ass kicked around here real quick. So, care nothing about it getting out of hand. And I ain't getting into no shit because of you.
Pick one. You already have this one.
Charlie loves shopping on Saturday afternoons, especially when he gets to pick out whatever he wants.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
This dog pretended to limp until his owner finally bought him the toy he wanted.
Esse aqui quer? Ah, esse aqui. Tá bom então, top. Então vamos. Ele indo embora com a bolinha.
Just because it's his first time being here, he's still a little nervous.
Estábamos en la tienda y de repente, no dejaba de verlo. Papito, quiero ese pollo. Salió muy feliz con su pollo.
Do you have any clues? So far, there's no reaction to anything. Okay. Wow.
I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucy.
Ava! Ava, you had one! It's time to go home. Come on, you had your pop cup. Come on. Come on. Don't go to sleep and pretend you can't hear me. I know you can hear me. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Ava, come on. Ava, no. Ava, no. Ava!
Come on. Oh, buddy. Toby. Come on.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed these cute and funny pet moments, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends so they can enjoy it too. Make sure to subscribe for more adorable dog videos, and we'll see you in the next one.